Hey guys, it's Tashea with the Tashea McDougall team. So let's talk today about your credit. If you're currently renting and your goal is to boost your credit scores to purchase a home in the future, I have something for you. It's called Credit My Rent. This program is awesome. They will report all of your rental payments to the credit bureaus and it will boost your score. So you're not just renting for a year and not getting a benefit out of that rent to amount you're paying each month. It's now being reported to the credit bureaus. And guess what, guys? It's only $10 a month. It's only $10 a month. If you wanted to have Credit My Rent report your past on-time payments for a year, I believe it's a setup fee for $100. And if you wanted them to go as far back as 2 years, because you've been paying rent on time for 2 years, they can do that as well. And I believe that setup fee is $150. But regardless of what, it's still just $10 a month to have your current and future payments reported each month to the credit bureaus. So imagine them pulling back your on-time payments and adding those back dates to your scores. That will boost your scores, guys. So this is without excuse. If you're looking to boost your scores, click the link in my bio under Credit My Rent and get started today. I look forward to hearing from you guys and how awesome the program has helped you. And this is just one step forward to you becoming a homeowner. I'll speak to you guys soon. Gotta go. Bye.